Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine. Today, you can see here a nice canvas which is painted in multiple colors. You can see in the bottom there are white colors, and on the top you can see the red color. Then the gradation, it comes to yellow here in this point and gradually ends up linking to the white color. It's a solid wood based background and the canvas solid wood. You can see I'm going to draw here. So background is previously painted. Now I'm going to draw the mountain lines with the brush stroke. So taking the blue colors and drawing the contours up here, you can see the ups and downs of the mountains. Okay, so in some portions you're going to see the little bit bright colors, and in some portions you're going to see little bit darker colors. So the basic thing is that which mountains are at a far distance, those are going to be a lighter colors, and the mountains which are near you, there's going to be the darker colors. So there's the basic idea. It's like the perspective, the things which are in a far distance, those are going to be smaller, and the things which are near you, those are going to be bigger. So you can see here I just painted it like a the little bit shorter, and the lighter colors, it's not the dark enough. Now the next stroke I'm going to put is a darker outlines, so that's going to show the mountains are near us. Okay, and another one I'm going to here little bit darker. Okay, and putting the brush strokes in a regular basis to fill up the whole canvas in a nice way. And the mountain I'm going to draw here. So these mountains are a little bit closer, so that's the idea. And for that portion, let's draw a little bit colors. Okay. Okay, all right, so all the colors are done. And for the shading purpose, let's put some colors here like this, and also putting some colors here like this, so the mountain lines and the contours are nicely visible. Okay, now if you like to put some trees up hills, then you can just draw a straight line, then draw like this one. So longer taller trees you can see, and just make it pointing upwards. Okay, pointy. The next one on the side you can do a little bit pointy and going downward, and you can draw another one. Okay, so little bit on the side. mm-hmm. So you can see the scenario, the trees here. Now we're going to take the white color and going to draw a sun here, and we try to make it as round as possible. Okay, let's put the white borders for the sun here. Just mixing up the colors and putting the sun like as white as possible and making it a round shape. All right, so that's the sun over the mountains, and little bit white color left. You can just put some shades here. So on the one sides of the mountain, just put some colors for the borders on the top. You can see just putting here some borders on the top, and here the ups and downs and the contours. Okay, some mountains. All right, you can see the contours here. Also, same thing happens for the trees on the right side, just putting a little bit shade. All right, and putting little bit hatches here, just showing the variations. Okay, so it's a complete drawing, and I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.